Alright, so I just got the Land Cruiser back from the mechanic. Yeah, there's still rust on it because, you know, I couldn't afford to get the rust fixed yet. I'll get that fixed once I hopefully import it all back into the States, you know, like that there and everything. So here it is. Here's the startup. It's a neutral, good. And it starts right up. It doesn't look like there's any smoke at all. Of course it's warmed up though, I just came home. So that's a good thing. There's still rust down there. Yeah, I'm excited. I am beyond excited. I've missed this truck dearly. And there she is, running again. Hopefully in a week I get to ship her out and I'll see her again in another month to 2 months.